for schools that have what you were speaking about, Darren, where you apply by January, you hear by March, you're having to make your decision by April, they do have financial aid allocated. So I can share, we have financial aid allocated towards our returning students and new students. However, at schools, there's sometimes financial aid still available. I know for WRA, that's the case right now. But again, it's on that as needed basis. So my advice to you would be to move as quickly as possible in reaching out to schools and applying to those schools, because again, much like rolling admissions where you find yourself in this, let's say schools have a ninth grade spot until it fills. The same can be said for financial aid. Like sometimes they have financial aid until if they have to move quickly on another student, they will, and that financial aid is then allocated towards another space. So again, I would be as transparent as possible when asking those questions. So I would edit my response from a little while ago and say, when you're calling and you're saying, do you have a ninth grade space? You may also want to mention, I'm also an applicant for financial aid. Do you have financial aid available at this time? And that way we can be sending you both our financial aid application and helping you through that process, as well as the admission application.